Welcome to Weekly Website Wins. Today we're looking at content description. So I've recently been on a website, I'm trying to buy a house, and the estate agents listed the floor plan and the room dimensions in feet and inches. Now, I don't do feet and inches, I do metres and centimetres. So for me, I'm going to Google and I'm putting those room dimensions in feet and inches into the and converting them to metres and centimetres to work out if the rooms are big enough for me to buy. Now this is a big headache, it's a big load of bother. It'll be far easier if, Weekly Website Win coming up, if you list both measurements. So someone coming to the site that understands feet and inches, list feet and inches, and someone who wants metres and centimetres, list both dimensions. Save them time, make it easier for them to decide whether this property is right for them. Yes, if they're committed, they will do what I'm doing, but at the same time, if you have a website and it lists Imperial measurements for anything, this might not be an estate agent, it could be any sort of type of industry, then list the metric system as well. You're just going to save the user time and less likely for them to give up and leave the site. So that is this week's Weekly Website Win.